Hey babes, thank you so much for those people who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate, and obviously also from my Instagram page. You guys are the best. So as you can tell from the title of this video, today I am going to talk about the basic makeup essentials, because I feel like everybody is out there doing the most at makeup, and some of us do not even know where do I begin, because there's a lot. It's a lot in the shops. You go there, you're like overwhelmed, you don't even know what to pick or what not. So this is going to be for those people who are still struggling with what do I need to even start this makeup initiation. Okay, so to begin with, I've already done this makeup on my face using the products that I'm going to mention in this video, and so let us start this video. Now, personally, I always begin with my brows. I have scarce to no brows almost. So what I go in with, I begin with a spoolie. Brush the little eyebrows hairs that I have upwards. Then I go in with an eyebrow pencil, with an eyeliner pencil. This is in brown. You want to pick a brown color because black will just be too much. Imagine if I had black eyebrow pencil, like black over here, I would look really angry or something else. Yeah. So brown is the color most people go for, and it's the color that is most suitable for like the most of us. So after I have applied the eyeliner, the eyebrow pencil, I go in with my concealer and an angled brush. This is an angled brush to shape the eyebrows in, you know, the shape that I'm going for that look, you know. So after that, I then prime my eyelids here with the concealer. Yeah, I can't speak today. I don't know what the problem is. It's so cold outside also. So I go in with my concealer, I prime, you know, my eyes with it. Then I set it with the setting powder, because the concealer is wet. So if you like apply your eyeshadow on top of the wet base, then it's going to crease. You're going to have lines where the, you know, where the your eyeshadow moves, you know. So I set it a little bit with the powder. Then I apply my eyeshadow. Now this is what I would call a neutral eyeshadow palette. That is my most neutral eyeshadow palette. There are so many out there. This is from NYX, the lingerie. I really like this. I like this so much. Like, even if when I'm leaving the house for a few days and I don't want to pack a lot of things, I would pack this, because, you know, I can do a simple eye look with this one and, you know, go about the day. And even if sometimes I would forget to carry a blush, I can use this one. I can totally use this one as my blush, and I can totally use this color here as my, you know, as my bronzer, as my contour shade, you know. Yeah, so I really like this one a lot. I think I've really posted this so many times on my Instagram page. So now this is the palette that I use for this look. It's very neutral. You can actually wear this to work, or, you know, meeting where you don't need to be like overwhelming with your eyeshadow colors and looking like a rainbow. I love colors, but let's be honest, it's not everywhere you can go like wearing banging colors on your eyes. So after that, then I prime my face. And the primer that I used for this look is this from MAC, the Oil Control. Now you can use any primer of your choice. There are so many out there in the market. Just pick any that works for you and, you know, get along with it. Then I wait a few seconds for it to get a little bit tacky. Then I go in with my foundation. Now the foundation that I have been loving so much, like I have several, you know, even high-end ones, but this one has been doing it for me. The NYX, it is super full coverage. It, you know, you don't like sweat through all the time. It's really matte. It's so matte. Even like I think this one for people who are oily, this would be great. This would be awesome because you stay matte for a long time and it's full coverage. And the other thing is that, guys, this is just 15 euros. 15, imagine. Like, forget these 40 bob ones. 40 euro ones, I mean. Anyway, I apply my foundation. Then go ahead and highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, right here under my mouth, and my forehead with a concealer. Let me show you the one that is like available everywhere. Even you guys from Kenya can have this. You can get this anywhere. So I go ahead and do that, you know, blend that in, then set those places that I've put the the concealer. I set it with a setting powder. Now this one is just a normal banana powder from Trend It Up. Mine is from Trend It Up, but there are so many in the market. Like you could be lost for choice. Then I go in with a bronzer. I went in with a bronzer for this, you know, for the perimeter of my face, kind of to bring the color back in, you know, bring the color back in with this. It's kind of like, you know, it kind of matches my neck, and that is, you know, just pick a darker shade than your foundation. That's what I would say. That is why I picked this one, and it's perfect for me. So after that is when I place my blush. You can pick any blush of your choice and you place it here. I place mine right here a little bit, and then blend it out just like that. And you can tap off the excess and, you know, color your face. Depends on the color though. Let me say that depends on the color of your blush. You cannot like go ahead and color your whole face. You know, just be careful with this one. Let me just say this: just put the blush where it's supposed to go, leave the rest. It will come with time. Okay, you will know all the rest tips and tricks as you go on with this. So after that, what do I do after that? I place my highlighter. So now there's one highlighter, this one, the Master Chrome from Maybelline. I think this one anyone can get. You know, this is the Illuminator Effecto Metallic, the Master Chrome. And this one is great. Like, it's not expensive. It's easily available, like in your local cosmetic store. And it's actually good. Look, like, this is where I place my highlighter. Let me show you how I do it. Normally I do this, I do that, and go up here a little bit. The same thing here, under my eyebrow, over here, and the bridge, and a little bit over here. Sometimes even here, just a little bit, like with the excess, with the one that's left on the brush. You don't want to look like you were hit by lightning or something. After that, I apply, oh wait, yeah, I forgot. This place, you know, you go in with the colors that you use for your eyeshadow. In this case, I used these two colors. So these are the two colors that I'll place under my eye, like under the waterline. And then I also use a normal black eyeliner, you know, for my waterline right there. Like most people do this, so I do that too. Oh wait, I forgot. I do also like to place a little bit highlighter right here. This is a game changer. Like if you want to look awake, you know, put together and awake, do that. See, made a huge difference. Look at that. Awesome. After that, I apply my mascara. This is what I'm using currently, the Maybelline Falsies Volume Express. Maybelline has really good mascara. Like most of us really like this. I mean, most of us use Maybelline, like any Maybelline mascara, which is black, please, black. All right, so what else after that? Then I am actually done. I love using an eyeliner, you guys. Eyeliner is also a great game changer. Let me show you guys the difference between when I put on my eyeliner and when I don't have it. So, okay, watch. See the difference? I love this side more than this. Okay, this one is when you're going for a natural eye look. This one, man, look at that. Ow. I'll go ahead and do the other eye and be right back. So we are back with the eyeliner and we love it. So I hope I did not oh wait, the last thing that you need to do after you have applied your whole makeup and everything, I need to go in with the setting powder, and this will help you know, sometimes you have all the powders, like the setting powder, you have the bronzer over here, and sometimes excuse me, sometimes it could look like so much powder is on your face, and once you apply you spray excuse me, once you apply your setting powder, that kind of sets everything together. It makes your face look, you know, like face again. Not so much powder. It sets in and looks like skin, you know, that's what I mean. So your setting powder, and then last but not least, your lips. You need an eyeliner of your choice. Oh my lord, sorry. An eyeliner of your choice. My personal favorite is Currant. It's called Currant, like black currant. It's from MAC. This is the lip liner that I use for most of my lip colors. And then, you know, I outline my lips and go in a little bit with it. Then I went in with a matte lipstick. This one is from Catrice. is from a Catrice, a dark, kind of a dark brown, you know, shade, matte shade. And then here at the center I just applied a lip gloss. You know, you need a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss, and then you're good to go. Actually, that's it for this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I hope you learned a thing or two. If you have any questions, you know, put them down below. I will definitely, surely, I will answer them. If you have any comments, any critics, they are also all accepted. Give this look a thumbs up if you like it, if you would wear it like this. And I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I really appreciate every one of you guys. Okay, thank you. Bye.